Hey, so this just happened and I'm really excited. This is something that has taken, feels like about a year from start to finish. This is the books, my books with the Unlocking Success that I co-authored with Jack Canfield. They just arrived. I've got a lot of books here. I'm very excited to see them, to open this up. Working with Jack has been an absolute pleasure. He's an idol of mine, and being able to work with him and train the trainer, to be one of his assistant trainers, and then to have the opportunity to co-author this book with him is just a wonderful experience for me. I'm very excited, very proud. The book has actually already hit bestseller status, and I received a notification and a certificate of bestseller award with the book. Here I go. I'm going to open up the books and see what they look like. Let's see, I want to be careful not to slice the books. They're very well packaged. Yep, very well packaged indeed. Turn this around. There we go. And down the middle. Okay, very close. Oh, here we go. Close this up so there's no accidents. Some extra safety padding. This is just a piece of paper, but there they are. I'm on the back, and I'm on the front. Me and Jack. This is really exciting. It looks beautiful. These are very nice, very solid hardback books. Yes, I am chapter 9 in the book. See if I can find it real quick. Chapter 9, where are you? There's, oops, went too far. Chapter 7. There it is, there it is. Yes. And there's my chapter. It's titled Hindsight. From Reflection to Transformation. And then here is my bio that goes along with my chapter. There it is. I have my books. I have a whole bunch of them. If you're looking to get one of these, you got to reach out, let me know. I'm going to be signing them and sharing them with the people who want them, who want to read this book. It's amazing.